Have you ever ended your day feeling strangely exhausted? Not because something terrible happened, but because the whole day felt like a blur. You sit in front of the computer all day long. You went to the meetings, you took care of everybody, you got things done, but somehow you don't feel fulfilled. You just felt gone. That may be the hidden cause of living on autopilot. In this video, I want to share something that might change the way you think about mindfulness. In 2007, researchers Alia, Crum and Alan Langer studied 84 women who work as hotel attendants. These women were moving all day long. They were lifting, bending, cleaning, vacuuming, changing sheets, pushing carts. They were walking from room to room all day long, but many of them did not see what they were doing as exercise. To them, it was just another room, another bed, just another bathroom, just another task to finish before the day was over. Then one group was told that what they were doing is actually counted as physical activity. Making beds use energy, vacuuming use energy, carrying linens, pushing carts, these are all require the person to use their energy. Here's the surprising part. They did not add a new technique. They did not wake up earlier. They didn't go to the gym. They did not do one more thing differently. The work was the same, but the awareness of their work changed. And 4 weeks later, the group who saw their work differently also experienced measurable changes in their health. And that's the power of awareness. And also the cause of autopilot. Because sometimes it's not that your day has no movement, it's that you don't feel the movement. Most of the time, the problem is not that your day has no meaning, it's that you are moving too fast to receive the meaning. This happens to many of us. You're drinking your morning tea, and your mind is already thinking about the meeting. You complete a project, but instead of feeling the completion, your mind jumps to the next deadline. Someone compliment or say something nice and kind to you, but you barely take it in because your mind is already preparing for the next response. You eat, but you don't taste. You walk, but you don't feel. You breathe, but you don't feel yourself breathing. And at the end of the day, you wonder, why do I feel so empty? It may not be because your day was empty. It may be because you weren't fully there to experience it. this is why mindfulness isn't just about sitting on a cushion with your eyes closed. It is the practice of returning to your own life while it's still happening, not after the vacation, not after the deadline, and certainly not after everyone else is taken care of. It's now, in the ordinary moment, in the small task, in the conversation, and especially in the very breath you are taking in right at this moment. Let's try something simple together here. Pause for a moment. Feel your feet on the ground, or if you have your feet up, just simply feel your feet. Go ahead and let your shoulders soften. Take slow, deep breath in. And even slower breath out. Very good. And now check in with yourself. Where have I been living on autopilot? I'd love to know in the comments. Is it your morning routine? Maybe it's work. Maybe it's meals. Maybe it's driving. Maybe it's moving from one responsibility to the next without ever feeling complete. Ask yourself, what is one ordinary moment that I can experience today? Maybe your first sip of tea, maybe washing your hands, maybe walking from the car to the door, maybe when you're closing your laptop and really feeling I'm done for now. This may seem like small moments, but small moments are where your life actually happening. Not only the big achievement, not when everything is perfect. Remember this, autopilot helps you function, but awareness helps you feel alive. And the goal is not to make every moment magical. The goal is to stop missing your own life. So choose one ordinary moment today and be there for it. If this spoke to you in any way, subscribe for more simple mindfulness practices to help you feel more calm and connected in real life, not just during meditation. And if you want to go deeper, be sure to reach out. Lots of love to you. Mwah.